property map. It shows you, they write on there, you know, which pools are open, which are closed. They also say the fitness center is open by appointment and they need a $15 deposit for the key. And then inside there is information about what's happening in the Costa community and things, helpful tips like what the weather is going to be like while you're here. So let's head inside. The gate is secure to get into the property, so I have a key here to open it. And when we get inside, the first thing we're going to show you is the north pool. It is not heated. People are there relaxing right now, so I figured I'd describe it now. That way we can just show you quietly and not disturb the peace. Let's go. Okay, so now we're heading to the south pool. So just to point out a few things along the way, they do have recommendations everywhere for protecting yourself. There's also signs that tell you that you need to mask when you're in common areas. So heading down this corridor, we'll see the south pool. This one is heated, and the landscaping for this pool is really beautiful. Something great about both pools, they do have a lift for people who need assistance in and out.
Talk to the camera.
Okay.
Sorry, you're just having a little, you're carrying away instead of having a hard time hearing you.
Gotcha. And so there is a lift for people who need assistance in and out of the pool, and they also offer TDD and sight and sound assistance if you need it. And throughout the property there is lots of places to sit and just enjoy the atmosphere. We're going to head this way. This is the back side of registration. There is an indoor pool and an indoor hot tub. Currently they are not open, just for safety, but you can see them that way. When the world goes back to normal, you'll know that, you know, what they look like. Oh, also a sauna that is closed for safety. Not exactly sure where they are. We don't want to take you too far off the boat path. So the next area that we will show you is the hot tub. So like I said, there is an indoor hot tub that is currently closed, but there's still an outdoor hot tub that you can enjoy. And then always keep your eyes on the path walking around in Florida. it's so fun. Like, we're from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, so you'll see like maybe crickets scurrying around. But in Florida, they have lizards. So every now and then you'll see a little lizard skitter through the bushes, or sometimes even big iguanas. Okay, here we are at the hot tub. Something very nice about the pools and hot tubs here, they're open until 11 at night. So, you know, when things cool down after the sun goes away and the stars come out, you can still come out and enjoy the atmosphere and sit in the water. Another feature that you can use here is the grills.
There are actually 2 outdoor kitchens here. One near the North Tower, which is where we are now, and one near the South Tower.
Yep, and we'll show you the other one too, because that's where the beach access is. Ooh. And right here, we want to show you there is a tiki hut that you can use if you come here with family. Have a nice little event here. Feel real tropical. So let's go see the other grill and the beach access. So this property is very secure. Like we showed you, it's locked. You have to be staying here to get in, and they do have cameras all over the place. So you can feel safe just walking around in your bathing suit and leaving your belongings sit while you get in the pool. And then also throughout the property you'll find hand sanitizer stations, and yep, you can leave your trash and your recycling, and there's many bins around the property. Oh, here we are. This beautiful beach. So the kite surfers are still out. You'll see them in the background while we're showing you the second grill. And there it is. Bam! Alright, so part of being the secure private property, we do have our own beach access here. And we'll show you what that looks like and where it leads. Hello again. So when you're coming back from the beach, you have the convenience to rinse off here. Not bringing the sand in with you. Alright, get ready guys. Lead the way. one. You would think it'd just be this steady beam of light, like a flashlight. But the way that it works, it glitters. It looks like a jewel in the sun. It's so gorgeous. So it's a beautiful feature, and we're so lucky to have it. You ready to sign off?